Hey, what is going on, guys? So I'm going to show you guys how you can change your YouTube trailer. I'm getting ready to change that myself, and let me go ahead and walk you through the steps. So the first thing, make sure that you're logged in, and then on the top right hand corner, go ahead and tap on your avatar, and then go down to Creator Studio. And now from here, you see right here where it says View Channel, go ahead and tap on that. And you can see it right here. This is the current video that I have right here, and I want to change this right now. So what you want to do next is click right here where it says Customize Channel. Tap on that. And then once you're here, tap on for visitors. And again, you can see that same video I have right here, which I want to change. Look right here for the pencil mark. Go ahead and hover around here. Tap on that and click on Change Trailer. And then from here, go ahead and find a video that you want to change it to. And if you have like 1,000 videos and you don't want to keep scrolling for it, what you can do is go ahead and just grab the URL of the particular video and go ahead and paste it down here as well. However, for me, I'm just going to go ahead and put this electric skateboarding video. Tap on that, click on Save, and voila. So every time somebody comes to my channel here, they'll see this video trailer now. So pretty much it. Pretty simple. If you guys still have questions or need help, just go ahead and comment below. And that's pretty much it. I'll see you guys in the next one. Thanks for watching. Bye.